Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I'm going to do a quick video for you guys. A lot of you ask, how to get different background techniques when you are just starting out. You don't have a lot of supplies. What can you do? So I've made alcohol ink. I've made alcohol sprays. I've done the whole thing. So I thought today we will do quick technique. It's not a lot of supplies. If you have a spray bottle and you put alcohol in it, it could be any spray bottle you have. I always suggest if you don't have, the money or a spray bottle, go to your local dollar store, buy one of them body sprays. Those have great sprays in them. And if you don't like the spray, empty it out. You get a free water bottle for $1. But if you like the scent, always pick one that you like the scent. So, um, use it, and when it's done, you have a spray bottle. And then you just put some alcohol in it that you buy from the dollar store, which this is 90%, 90 or 70%. Either one's fine. Obviously, 90% has more alcohol in it, or you can use some vodka, but that's a whole other video. Okay, now I have watercolor sitting here. This is Winsor Newton. You can see it's well loved. It's probably 6, 7 years old. And then I have some Kiritaki watercolors. I love them all. I'm not a watercolor artist. I use these in my mixed media. I always go through phases of trying to learn watercolor and painting with it. So we'll see if that ever happens. But for now, this is what I'm using. I just have some watercolor paper here. Of course, use whatever you have. Printer paper, notebook paper, it doesn't matter, whatever. So I'm going to go in and I'm also going to show you with acrylic because I got asked about that as well. I like to do two furs where you're getting, more bang for your buck. So what I'm doing is I'm just wetting my paper first. And what that's going to do is it's going to like soak in a little bit, but I can get better color. I'll just go in with this red right here. A little blue, why not? Get a little purple. And you see, and you can go in deeper. You do whatever you want. This is just for me to show you. You can use Crayola watercolors. You can use um, Neocolor watercolor crayons, whatever, gelatos. And if you spray, look at that. What happens is, and it'll dry quickly, but you see that? It's hard to see because my lighting is so messed up in here, but you see that? Look how cool that is. So that is a background for an ATC card that you, I love dripping, that you now can cut your card, have a background, do whatever you want. I love doing this. Maybe I'll do an ATC card using this to get some background and showing you, okay? So that, look how fun that is. Very simple. Now, let's say if you want to use acrylic paint. And usually I would wet this on another surface, but I have so much going on here right now. I've been painting up a storm and having fun. So, doing this. You can see that's dark. It's way darker than and I'll just put a little bit more water. And the reason I do water is because alcohol and water do not, it kind of separates it. See that? And then I'll go in with my spray and I'll spray. And you'll see it separate. And what's going to happen, I'm sorry, my cats. What's going to happen is it's going to separate, but you'll see there'll be darker spots and lighter. And you'll see on the paper as it dries, I'll hold it up, it starts getting these little marks. So you can do, if we did, let's do a little bit of ultramarine blue. And again, this could be watercolor or whatever. I'll do both just to show you. Oh, these hands today, not been a good. Thank you for everybody checking in on me. I've just been having a rough month. It's all right. We all have them. So doing videos just hasn't, been I haven't been able to, I'm sorry, able to do. I just haven't been feeling well. So I thought today I would just come on and do this. I'm going to wet this a second. So let's say we're doing an ATC card. I'll do a little blue here just to show you. And remember, you can go as dark or as light as you want. but it's just to kind of show you. Come on. Now, if I use some of these, I'm going to have links down below for these. These are my two favorite, like, medium watercolors that I use, because medium meaning price wise, because they can be tad expensive. And so you can use Crayola or whatever you have. But okay, so if I go like that, see how that separates, or that. Now I did this a little too close, so I can come up here now and just squirt. And as it dries, see, I can push it like that. Okay. As it dries, you'll see you're going to get this thing. So I'm just going to sit here for a second. It dries so fast. Also, you could put salt. Like, if I did a pile of this or this and threw salt down, let it dry, you're going to get all those little specular pieces, which are fantastic. My allergies, which are fantastic. So, you know, right here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways, and you can do an ATC card. Do this, you know what I mean? Cut it out to the ATC card size, you have a background. Same thing here, same thing there. You know, and it gets you started on a background that you don't have to think about, or you can just do this on the back of your ATC card. A lot of fun. Um, you know, so this just gives you some background texture with alcohol and paint that, you know, you really can't get. Oh, you know what you can do? This is another one of my favorite things to do. And we all probably know this, and this ain't, I'm not doing anything here that y'all don't know. This is one of my favorite things. Let's go. Oh my God, these colors. This is why I'm a mixed media artist, not watercolor. So this is what I do. I just sit and mix, and I mix both. You can see I mix both palettes. Okay, so I'll do this, right? And then I take a crumpled up, we all know this, right? Watch. Watch this. I got clouds. What? Look at that. Don't have alcohol? You have one of these. Maybe you have a tissue, you blew your nose. I don't know. Maybe you have an old Italian grandmother that sticks the used Kleenexes up the sleeve of her arm like mine used to do. It is what it is, okay? But, and you can, you know, you dab, you get it to what you want. But let me just show you these real quick. This is just a quickie. Let me turn this light off this way a little bit. Maybe we'll be able to see better. Yeah. See that? Look at that. Look at that texture. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at those. So you see, I mean, I could sit here all day. I could sit here all day and play. You know what I'm saying? I don't want this to fall on me again. He fixed it. He's like, you got to do this. And I'm like, whatever. Okay, so, but you get all these great things. And like I said, now this to me will become a mixed media background. I will now probably stamp and God knows what else. But, or maybe just do a wash of a lighter color, maybe yellow or, yeah, probably yellow. And then start a mixed media background with this. So like I said, I use it a lot in my mixed media. But I mean, ATC cards, art journal pages, you get it, you got it, you're good. So I hope you guys try this. This is for all of you. I saw all the requests I have for things like this, just real quick beginners. I have a couple things, you know, you guys love when I do at home things. So I have a couple things, you know, to do different junk journal stuff and all that kind of stuff. Nothing new, nothing groundbreaking, but, you know, that kind of thing. So as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. If you guys want to support me, my membership, all my information is down below where you can find me all over the internet. And all the things, emails, where I'm at. I'll have links for these down there. If you want to support me, like I said, I get a couple pennies from everything that you guys buy from my Amazon. Links that I put down below, as well as my link to my Amazon with all my products I use is down there. If you guys want to support me, I appreciate it greatly. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And if you guys use this or use it in anything, let me know. I'd love to see it. You can tag me everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, all the things. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.